All right, welcome back to the last session. Let's talk about book marketing strategy. So, you have the book with you. You know that we talk a lot about the book marketing really decides if your book will be successful or not. We're using the four P's of marketing by Kotler as a framework for marketing strategy. And you can read all of this in the book. I just want to show you here shortly how well this really works with ChatGPT, but you also, of course, have the use case here in the book. So this is a prompt, and you have to fill in the specifics of your book. Right. The title of the book, the description, you can use the book description from the last step. Or the blurb, both should work, but maybe the description because it has more details. If you use the book description, you will already mention the USP and author credentials. Can specify your target audience again in a bit more detail. And then you just copy and paste this. So I've already done this in a separate file here, which is a bit longer, and you can read it if you really want to separately. But basically, I've just used this in prompt. I've put this together. ChatGPT, like a get a new conversation. I have pasted the prompt. I hit the enter button, and we will get the marketing plan. Yeah, sorry about this. So I didn't change the book name from Finish Up, but all the rest applies to the book. And so, as you can see, this is already quite specific and detailed. But as you know by now, you can work iteratively with ChatGPT. So if you really feel you still need more specific plan and recommendations, you can just use another problem. Say, oh, be great. Please break this down even further and give me more specific recommendations for place and distribution or promotion strategies. Or you can say, give me a list of blog topics that I can write about, or give me a few ideas for a blog series I can create. You can break all of this down further in subsequent prompts. But overall, here's our strategy for the four P's. And then, of course, the next prompt from the book is exactly where we tell ChatGPT to break this down into steps. So just copy this and say, can you please now give me a step-by-step list and how to implement? So again, I go here, I hit the enter button, and we get a very structured list of step-by-step instructions on how we can start the marketing of our book. All of this you can then copy into a new Word file, and you can share it with your team or whoever supports you in marketing. You can run those recommendations maybe by a friend and see if they make sense to them. You can also share it with freelancers who help you in your book marketing should you hire them from Upwork for Fiverr. Yep. Again, this is a very short video, but that's really all you need to do. Just take the prompts from the book, enter the specifics on your book, and you will get the very, very good marketing clap.